Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display. And here we've got the screen timeout option. It should be right under the wallpaper, so let's enter. And here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So right now I've got 1 minute applied, it is marked, and in order to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter the screen timeout again, because here we've got the information that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.